front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Special function. Then select Xclone and click on gray switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. As you can see, my switcher turned green. So when I go back and look for my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on Now Green Switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!